how to set the default keyboard to Samsung keyboard or Google Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on general management. Next, go down and tap on keyboard list and default. From here, tap on default keyboard. And from the choose input method window, you can choose your Google keyboard or Gboard, or you can select Samsung keyboard. So select the keyboard that you would like to use. So here I've got English US, then tap on the back key and then tap on the home button. So here if I launch my keyboard, this is the Google keyboard right here. By default it will open up Gboard. Otherwise we can set it back to Samsung keyboard. And that's it. That is how you can set the default keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.